What's the meaning of crush bar? Crush bar. Crush bar.
Crush bar. Crush bar. A crush bar, also known as an energy-absorbing bumper or crash bar, is a component found on the front of vehicles designed to absorb impact in the event of a collision. The bar is typically made of a strong, but lightweight material, and is designed to collapse upon impact, absorbing the energy of the collision and reducing the damage inflicted on the vehicle and its occupants. By absorbing the force of a collision, a crush bar can help protect the driver and passengers from serious injury or death.